Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add custom CSS to Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your site that you want to add a custom CSS. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the left side over here and just simply go to the pages. And now once you are on the pages, as you can see down below, you should be able to see here website tools under utilities. So just simply click on that. And from here, guys, at the very top, you should be able to see here custom CSS. So just simply click on that. And from here, you should be able to add a custom CSS, and you can go for image and fonts, and you can open it in a new window if you want to get more technical with the CSS. So guys, once you are done, just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen to save your changes, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Squarespace, and if you have any question guys, just simply comment down below, and thanks for watching. See ya!